What is up, everyone? So today's vlog is special. So we are at Branson, Missouri for Winter Extreme. So Winter Extreme is a 3 days thing. So there will be concerts, there will be messages. So as a foreign exchange student, I got this big opportunity to learn how Christian things work. So we are at Branson, Missouri, and thanks to Pastor Drew, thanks to my host parents to make this trip possible. Big shout out to them, and I'm excited. Let's go.
Back to the sound.
Xtreme Winter 2020. So glad to be with you. This is how we're gonna.
Let's go.
Xtreme, you already have a good time tonight. Oh, big. I feel like pop. I shoot the shot. Grayson, I know y'all got more energy in you than that. Like, hey, my guys, y'all ready?
Let's go.
Alright, hey. Grayson, one more time for my man Amey. Video!
Let's go.
So Eli, where are we?
We're at the landing in Branson, Missouri.
Just so you know, we are still on day 2, but we are doing the window shopping on the market. So enjoy.
Trauma keeps flipping me at the wrong moment. I just wanna numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. I just need to numb the pain. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain.
A broken glass while I'm thinking in my head. I mind my own, I don't even break a sweat. Oh, this madness is insane. Why you still live in vain? I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes. It's sad to hear the lights under the street lights, under the street lights. I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes. Untold stories, they were left behind.
Shine like a rocket up into the sky. Nothing can stop me tonight. You make me
I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes. You're the victim of your own mistakes.
rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick. We ain't coming back, I swear. Just let go and see what happens. Gotta let go to see the magic happen. They got us a quick change, so we like them in phase. I'll just buy a new watch, time to make my wrist.
So I got home, got all washed up. So I had really fun 3 days, and this video might be too long, but hope you liked it, and thanks for watching it till the end. So this is the end of vlog, and end of the year. So we are on 31st December. This year taught us a lot of different things, and hope we toughen up and go to the next year. So like this video, friend, and subscribe to the channel. We are so close to 500 subscribers, so subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments, suggestions, anything you want to tell me, just post that in the comment sections. So I hope I see you in the next one and in the next year. Happy New Year.
And I'm feeling good.